Masks are back, and this time with a warning. States like Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Delhi have issued fresh advisories as COVID cases begin to climb yet again. The JN1 variant is now back in circulation. More infectious, we hear. That is also quickly spreading, already dominating some parts of Asia and has just entered United States as well. Looking at the spike in China, we're seeing United States claiming many travelers coming from China to the US are being tested positive at the airport of the United States. So there is an uptick in cases all across Asia, now United States. In India, Kerala topping that chart with over 200 active cases. Maharashtra following suit. Mumbai alone has reported 22 new infections on May 22nd. Delhi has about 23 active cases, while Haryana has reported 3 fresh infections, including a security guard we hear who had visited Delhi's Safdarjung hospital. He's now been kept in isolation. In response, the Delhi government has now swung into action, issuing a formal advisory. Hospitals have been told to keep beds, oxygens, medicines and vaccines ready. Crucially, any COVID positive sample must be sent to LNJP hospital for genome sequencing. This is Delhi's preparedness, but we're waiting for an official word to come in from the centre as well. While symptoms of JN1 remain mild, there's fever, cold, fatigue are common symptoms that are experienced. The virus, as we know, is clearly on the move. It's fast spreading, but not as deadly. Scientists across the globe are now reassessing vaccine strategies, including that in India. They're looking at this variant spread across Asia and the United States at this point to see if our vaccines are as effective to combat it. The centre has asked hospitals now to gear up, but there's no formal advisory, like I said, for public as yet. That said, the message couldn't be clearer. COVID isn't done. Stay masked, stay cautious, and don't lay your guard. If I could add, just moments ago, there's been a report of a person who's died in Kerala of COVID-19. 2 deaths have been reported from Mumbai as well. So that takes a total of 3 deaths so far owing to COVID. Largely, there were underlying causes. Comorbidities were reported in both the cases in Mumbai. In Kerala, we're yet to get some clarity. So 3 deaths officially from COVID in India.